aha Kama Studios on the 27th of September 2025. RapperHolic homecoming e ko se we Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Now a lot of artists they perform at the show. Ebinoma bebre so course. Nene hip life originator Reggie RockStone December 2. The reason why he was not able to perform, even though he was able to perform at the show.
Wena Minesak Ijujemu. If you watched the way Obrafour and Sak did their gig, it's exactly in the same mode that me and Sak was moving. He was bringing his OGs, his godfathers on.
Now the same be the plans I want to say according na year Obrafour have here before the show no cry na essence issue no ebe ye na nkofo bibi na dwen say RapperHolic no enkoso anase bia crowd ntimi puli up no on the same be to we are going to play this video. You be sure say subscribe to this platform to this your first time. Now you follow us on all the social media handles for the entertainment news and whatever is trending on the social media. Now let me take you through the reason why the hip life originator Reggie RockStone went to perform at the RapperHolic homecoming. Now a lot of artists performing, including Kofi Kinata and a lot more artists, Kweku Smoke, Beat Trap, OTM, Kosiame Wuga, and a lot more artists. And about ebe performing here, young artists Biba so Kweku Flake performing twice at the night. Now Sakwadi also came, Shatawali came, a lot of artists. Abushia, the show was very massive. Looking at the rain, said in Sunu Toya, and Kofi Brain say Kofi Brain to me mano. I show na busunya Emma Adechi where 6 a.m. early in the morning. Now for that so Baba Yara Sports Stadium enjoying the show. Now Stoneman was not able to pull up, but his song was played at the program. Now Reggie RockStone at December 2, the reason why he was not able to perform, even though he was able to perform alongside Obrafour, Sarkodie, and the other artists. Now Insunu Toye no went to Mama, and the reason the plans he had with Sarkodie and Obrafour. Let's go and play his video. When you come back, you share your opinion under the comment section.
It's here for Mechiamo. Yes, sky blue yaw in there. And simply, it's here for Mama Berhe RapperHolic show. Once again, I want to thank you all. It was such a beautiful event. I can't stop talking about this event. It was such a beautiful, great historical event. However, normally see what me young kind of I was at me at the gym. And also I see that I just saw Konkonsa. Thank you, Konkonsa, your post.
Are you telling them what happened in the show?
Yeah, I'm about to tell them what happened.
It was a whole lot.
Yeah, Charlie.
It was a good show, but there was a whole lot. You should tell everything. Don't leave anything.
No, oh no. Zala me babe can't show. You should be telling them too, because you know. Yeah, I mean you. No.
Yeah, I was there, but
it's here for any easy. Wait, let me. Yeah, I'm gonna tell them more. Okay, Masumi Amade, Philani Winty. The show had to be planned, and I am going to unveil to you what me and Sarkodie planned against what happened. And these things happen in show business. Wait now. Minesak Ijujemu. If you watched the way Obrafour and Sak did their gig, it's exactly in the same mode that me and Sak was moving. He was bringing his OGs, his godfathers on. Both of us were surprises, especially me. I kept it under wrap. If you see me from when I got off the plane, you never even saw me tweet or say anything about RapperHolic because I was supposed to be a surprise. This was dope. Now, the way me and Sak had it planned, come back fast, you know, you saw what happened with Obrafour, so you can imagine if I had popped up on that stage. Now, the song choices, what I was going to walk on with, it's not like the Gen Z, I'm so Gen Z that they don't know my music. All I got to do is walk on stage with just the skulum rhythm, or keep your eyes on the road, or Plan B, or Reggie from Bunny Chairman White. I got you. Click. Everybody, young and old, sing along. It's been tried, tested, and trusted. That's not a problem. But it's the way, the surprise element that we was going to come on with that would have blown your minds. And this is how we was going to move. So Sarkodie, in the script, says, I show you so I can give you the introduce. Obrafour's going on. Boom, 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 done his thing. Nobody's thinking Reggie RockStone is coming. And you got to remember, I am the sacrum president. So all of a sudden, Sock is going to make a joke talk about how, man, he wishes that his OG RockStone was there. Nah, I shouldn't have said man to me, ama. Nah, Siciano. It sounds like man to me, ama. Him, Sock, wants to declare himself as the new sacrum president. This. Can you imagine the reaction from the crowd when he says this? The crowd is going crazy, but in a humorous way. And see, this was my cue. So, Sock, kasa asem the pet. Not me free. Now, wait to see a plan, babe. Sock, acid, rebuttal. Crowd would have went crazy. And I walk on, boom, boom, doom, 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 doom. I do this, I do that. I go. I was only on there. I was supposed to be on there for just 5 minutes, by the way. And then I thank the crowd. Oh, look, in show business, anything can happen. First of all, we did not anticipate the traffic, the rain, all of the above. God works in mysterious ways. All along, I'm in camouflage. Listen, all of these artists, they're walking backstage. They don't know that's Grandpapa sitting there. I'm going to chill, be out. I'm going to hurt me. So I'm waiting. All of a sudden, it's my time to go. Boom, boom, boom. Brother Angel, shout out to Angel. Socrates, listen, this dude amazing. He comes, he says, showtime. Whoa, I'm running backstage to try to get up on stage. And then I can hear the soundtrack, but I'm not on stage yet. Then it stops. The file. Shout out to DJ Chihuahua. He organized my show reel. The file now, show real now. Yeah, they could show no. It was corrupted. There was a fault on the file. It's DJ Mansa, big up to DJ Mansa. He cut the line, he cut the show. Sarkodie is on stage confused because he's expected, because, you know, we already know what we're supposed to do. And quick, you know, in show business, you got to think on your feet. So Sarkodie continues, starts performing. Now I'm backstage. So if you see, I'm standing backstage, all with covered up, because nobody's supposed to know I'm there. Zila's my manager, by the way. She's going crazy. But me, I've been in show business. I'm calm because I know. Can you believe we did not get this file back? We couldn't fix it. And I can't interrupt the man's show. We stood behind the turntables and the DJ. I watched everybody show, medical, everybody, from behind till 5 in the morning. 5 in the morning is when, and I said, look, there's two things I could do here. It's here for Muntie. Either I boycott the show, which would be selfish, because the reasons for why I'm there is to show presence, is to show support, is to come and thank Kumasi, because these are my people. I'm the sacred president. I can't do that. But I'm taking a huge risk because there's a chance that I go on stage, the crowd is tired. It's daylight at this point. And going on after Shatta and Medical, even a seasoned artist won't risk that. You got to be a top current artist to do that. But I'm thinking, fuck it, I got to go. Everything we planned has gone to beans. But I had to sacrifice myself. And I'm a buy and I'm a chia or more and I'm a down my seat. So I was the last person on that stage. Me too, I was there some. And I'm a cool fee. That's called selflessness. That's what professionals do. So I'm reading the comments and people are thinking, oh, Gen Z, they don't know who he is. They know who I am. But it's just circumstantial, the way it was. And it's not like they wasn't appreciative. They just wasn't, it wasn't set up to make them go, wow, okay? And that's what happened. And I just wanted to share that with you. And there's also a lesson for you young artists coming up. If you're ever in a situation like this is what you do. The show must go on. Nevertheless, I was a part of a historic. If I wasn't at that show, it would be detrimental. It would be worse than my file being corrupted. I'm telling you. So shout out to Sarkodie team. Shout out to Kumasi and all of you. The love that you showed is amazing. But that's what happened. God bless you. And, oh, the food is ready. Peace.